Hello everyone, this is Justina Fami. I work for ICES Education at Washington Elementary School. And today I'll be showing you how to make a fortune teller. All you need is a paper. First step, we're gonna fold it just like that. And then we're gonna cut out this part. After I cut this part, I will unfold it and fold it the other way. I will unfold it again. And then fold it just like so. After that, I'll flip it the other way and fold it again. After folding them all like so, I'll flip it, fold it in half, and there you go, a fortune teller.